Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm breaking down one of the most crucial topics in networking, switching and inter-VLAN routing. Let's dive straight into it. So imagine your network as a huge office building with different departments. Each department is like a VLAN or virtual LAN. They're all working under the same roof but have their own spaces. But here's the deal. Sometimes these departments need to share data. That's where InterVLAN routing swoops in to save the day. Think of it like the mailroom, making sure that messages get to the right department. Cool, right? First up, switching. Switches are like the office manager, directing traffic within each department, or VLAN. They ensure data packets take the shortest route, efficient and fast, just like we want it. Now let's talk about InterVLAN routing. This is where the router steps in. It's like the receptionist, forwarding messages between different departments. In technical terms, it routes traffic between VLANs. Simple. To set this up, you'll need a multi-layer switch or a router with sub-interfaces. Configure your VLANs on the switch, assign IP addresses, and set up routing. Boom! Data can now flow smoothly between VLANs. Remember, always secure your configurations and monitor traffic. This keeps your network safe and efficient. So there you have it, switching and inter-VLAN routing made simple. Now go rock your network like a pro. Catch you in the next video. Stay awesome and keep networking.